This is a health and safety video on the safe use of a power tool. The drill is kept in this cupboard and you must take it out very carefully. This is him collecting the drill bit box. You must walk very carefully when you have any power tool in your hand.
Do you want to change the battery?
You will need to collect the battery from the battery charger. If the green light is on, it is charged. You then open the box, take the drill out and attach the battery to the battery slot.
Put that one in. Yeah, do you want to put that one on charge? Put that on there.
Make sure the switch is locked by putting it in the middle setting when not in use or putting it away. Push the switch right for reverse and left for forward. The drill has two speeds. One is slow for screwdriver settings and 2 is fast for use as a drill. The drill has different torque settings for the strength in which the drill turns, 1 to 15, and one drill setting with a picture of a drill bit. The drill bit must be the right size for the screw you will be using. You put the wood in a vise or use a clamp. If you use a clamp, make sure you put the clamp facing away from you. This is the drill bit box, where all the attachments are kept for the drill. Point the drill towards you and then turn it clockwise to tighten and make sure the drill bit is nice and tight. Hold it with both hands at a 90 degrees angle at all times. Do not hold the air vents or it may overheat. After drilling the holes for the screws, you need to countersink them so the screw heads sit below the wood, so when we use a belt sander, the screw head won't tear the belt.
Which 4 screws are in this stand for?
Make sure you have tested the speed and torque settings and make sure you get the correct drill bits. Make sure the drill bit is the correct size for the screw you will be using. The drill bit holder is magnetic, which will help hold certain screws. Make sure when screwing the screws are nice and straight. He's not holding it, so it is wibbly wobbly. Now he's holding it, and now it's nice and tight. Press the lock button to put it into reverse, to then take the screws out.
Do you want to put the tools away then, Adam? Do you want to put them back in the box?
Do you need them to take it to the cupboard as well?
Yeah.
Go, you want to do all at once.
Take your time and don't rush. We don't want you injuring yourself or other people, and your work will be of a better quality. If you have to walk around holding the drill, make sure it is facing downwards. Once you're finished, put all the drill pieces back in the correct places. Make sure you don't rush when putting tools back into the cupboard. Clean up your workplace after you have finished.